Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a top-load washer that won't spin. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. Here are some possible causes for the problem and how to fix them. Poor washer drainage. Disconnect the machine from power, then the drain hose from the back, and check that it's not broken, clogged, or kinked. If clogged, use a drain snake to remove the debris. If it's broken, replace it. A faulty lid switch. Locate the lid switch under the washer's lid and see if it's bent. If not grievously bent, use your fingers and light pressure to put it back in place. Otherwise, replace the switch. Imbalanced load, or the washer is too full. If the machine load is too heavy or the machine is overstuffed, the spin cycle might not start. In this case, remove some of the soggy clothes. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a top-load washer that won't spin. Thanks for watching. Till next time.